it's your girl China, and I'm back once again with another video. Today is gonna be a get ready with me, so you finna see how I got this makeup look, how I got this outfit look, all of it. And please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Please make sure you go ahead right now at this very second, hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button and hit the notification bell so you will see when I upload. You will get a notification. So I'm really super excited. Disclaimer, I'm not what you call a pro. I don't really wear this all the time, like only like special occasions, or if I just really want to feel like I'm dressing up. So please do not judge me or come for me. I am not a pro. But I do want to show you how I get this look. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Bye. So I am using the face serum by Skin Science, and I got this at Marshall's, by the way. And I'm using this to prep my skin and get it extra moisturized. I already did my brows off camera, so if you want me to do a brow tutorial on how I do my brows, let me know in the comments down below. Next, I'm applying the E.I.F Daily Hydration Moisturizer. And like I said, I'm just trying to make my skin extra moisturized. Next, I'm using the Milani Prime Light Face Primer, and it's supposed to make my skin look like it's glowing from the gods. So yes, I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. Okay, the two foundations I'm gonna be missing today is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and the shade 6 Sand Beige, and Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Golden Beige 240. So I'm gonna mix those two together. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige. I told you I'm not a pro. I'm such an amateur. I got it all over myself. But yes, I am applying this underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, on my nose, and on my forehead. Yes, everywhere. To set some yellowness into the skin again, I am applying the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 04 Natural Beige. on my forehead. It's the perfect contour stick. It gives me that brown golden look to my skin and I love it. So if you haven't tried this, guys, please try this out. It's a really good contour stick. I'm gonna apply on some face powder by Beauty Treats, and I actually got this from Five Below, and I thought it was gonna turn out to be very crappy, but actually it turned out really great. Like, I use this to set my contour, my cream contour, and it really looks great. Like, the colors in it looks very great. It does not look like a very cheap product. It does the job very well. So either look for that in the store or look for it online. I'm using the CoverGirl Loose Mineral Powder in the shade Medium, and I'm just going to use this to set my concealer. And yeah, it's okay. It's alright. I don't really favor this as much. Like, I prefer something better. So please let me know in the comments if y'all seen any better translucent powder than this. The ones that don't create a flashback and look flawless. Just let me know in the comments. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spray this all over my face. More like drowning it. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighter 321B Precious Pebbles. And I just got my hands on the other one, the golden one, and I cannot wait to use that. Like, you guys just don't know how good of a highlighter this is. Like, it's so fucking perfect. One hotel, 5-star suite. Sun goes down, watch you turn into a freak. 100 bad bitches, all I see is you. Keep it spontaneous, breaking all the rules 'cause I can. Next, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, just to prep my eyelashes for the falsies. And the falsies I'm going to use, I'm going to be putting them on off camera. And they're going to be by Kiss, and then they're number 11. I think they think they're Rispies, I'm not sure. And I'm going to prep my lips and line them with a Rimmel Lip Liner Exaggerate 64 Obsession. And I'm also going to be using the Rimmel Lipstick by Kate, number 14, and it's called Rossetto. I love mixing those two together. I just got hip to it. It makes my lips look so big and so luscious, and there you go. That's the look. Let me know in the comments what you think of this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!